Good afternoon, traders. This is Coach Alex, freedomtradingclub.com. And we have the wrap-up for you today, August 17th, 2023. A little bit different day than yesterday because some of the institutions were short covering and taking some profits before the employment numbers. And the idea, of course, was to push it back up, hopefully that it goes back up, and then they'll reestablish some shorts. We tried to take advantage of the first hour or two of market upside by taking two longs. We actually said in the room before the market opened, we're going to take just two long trades and then be done and then look for shorts later. We didn't really get the sell-off right away, only in the afternoon, but we still traded from the long side. We called 6 trades. We had one loser. I'll go over them. And again, here was the early morning report at 7:58 a.m. We were still trying to stay bearish, but we realized the market was oversold. So let's get to it. Here's what happened. Just after we entered the room, we had a breakdown. So we're looking for a little bit of a rally up here to the first touch roll, about 881. But it didn't get there. So instead of being deer in the headlights, instead of just waiting that for a short that never came, we took a sell stop right below the swing low there at 859. It got filled at 857, and we made 20 to 27 points and got ready for the numbers. Now, here was the idea. By our analysis, and we teach how to do this, we projected that the market was going to move 60 points. Weren't sure which way. However, after the numbers came out at 8:30, we looked for the first indication. The market was trading at that time at 813, 34,813. So the idea was if it went down and broke through the downside right after the numbers came out, right, and broke through 34,800, we would go short. If it broke above 34,830, we would go long. So what happened, here's 813, the number, it was trading at 813 at that point. The market did show an upside. So we decided to put a buy limit at 813. We did get filled. Some traders opted for the breakout. Either way, our target was 849, which we got, and then 873, which was 60 points. So look at that. We got up to 880. Not a bad target. So far we're 2 for 2, and one short, one long, and then we're looking for another buy signal. So at 9, the market then really shot up, and we waited that 6 minutes. So at 9:38, we announced buy. Wait till the market retreats to 900 even. 34,900. We got that trade right here. Not much heat on that one, only one bar. Within 1 minute, the trade was working, and we picked up again up to 39.49, and we had a final target. This is what was interesting. Remember, the daily pivot was right up here. Our final target was 960. We never got that. What does that tell you? Maybe the market had reached its resistance. This was our final target. Everybody had limit orders there. Well, do you think we wrote it all the way down? No, we kept moving our stop out. And then when the stops came, we got out at around the 35 to 32 level right here. So we, from 34,900, we wrote it up there. There was our 2 long trades. However, if you looked at 956, one of our clients, Bill, Randy, and Milton all pointed out that they were going to take the W trade right here when it went down there with a buy stop. So I followed my clients. We were done. But we said, all right, we'll take one more. And we went long here on a buy stop at 884. So when the clients speak, we got to listen, right? The buy stop was on this W, perfect little W, and they wrote it. That was a beautiful trade. 84.99 was our first target. It didn't stop us out, and we got up to 9.16 before the pullback stopped us out. Great trade, and now our loser. You should be done, right? By 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, you should be done. Well, at 11:22, people looking again for another long trade. This time, it was a trade too far. So I took it. At 11:22, right here. You see the market coming down. That's not really great to buy, but we were really flush with profits. So right here, there was an inversion buy signal. You see that green? We went long right there. Got filled at 34,817, got 10 points on the first target. And the original 30-point stop, we moved up and got stopped out with a 20-point loss. Plus 10, minus 20, net minus 10 on that trade. And that was it for the morning session. Finally, after the market had reached our targets, now we're looking, because all the trends have changed, for that last trade of the day at 2:30 p.m. We waited, we had the patience to wait for a rally, got the high stochastics, right? We never got that. I came back at 2 o'clock. It didn't reach the 80 level, but it did at 2:30, peaked up there, and as soon as it dropped below that low, right, the JTHMA, we went short at 694. We had one target, and that was 608. Obviously, the market went through there and just kept going. I was happy, and most of us were happy to close it out right here, make up for that 10-point loss. So he took severe loss, terrible, at 608. We had ideas that institutions were buying around 598 and a little bit lower. So we got out right ahead of them, 608. Great, almost 90 points on that one. And we're done for the day. Hopefully you have questions. We're still bearish. All these rallies should be short. We're still, market's still open right now. It's going to be finished up in a minute. Notice it almost came back to that 608. So listen, guys, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, before you pay anyone a penny, check out our website. In the top right corner, you can register for a free 3-day trial. Our founders have called over 99,000 trades since 2006. Our private coaching will give you the extra edge on all of your trades. And we also, of course, offer the live trading room where, again, we aim to take 2 to 3 profitable trades per day in the first 2 hours of the market between 8:30 and 10:30. We usually get them, and people hang around. We'll give them more if they want. Anyone can tell you how great they are at 4 p.m. We tell you ahead of time at 8 a.m. So again, we invite you to subscribe to freedomtradingclub.com on YouTube, and we will continue to post informative and helpful videos. We'll see you tomorrow, Friday, to wrap up a great week. Thanks, guys.